Hopscotch on sidewalks, kites in the air, family drives on Sunday, blue ribbons at State Fair. Those are things of days gone by. I realize how much we've lost, it makes me want to cry. We're taking back our country, and that's a fact. If it doesn't sound good to you, let us help you pack.